Another option is to study. It can be a full academic degree, a single course that expands our professional skill set, or anything in between. This can be a good solution for those of us who do not have a work permit. It can also increase our chances to work locally in our field, because while studying in a local institution, we also network locally in our profession and gain a local, relevant line for our CV. Studying locally also helps our social life as we can make new friends. Of course, it is also a good solution for people who just want to study something. Before we go into any further details, we should know what is our goal here. What is the motivation for studying? Do we want to increase mastery of our current professional field? Do we want to retrain in order to change our career path? Are we taking advantage of the financial liberty abroad in order to take some sort of break from work? Do we want to network professionally in our host country in order to make it easier for us to find a local job afterwards? There can be many reasons, and each will affect the course of study we should choose. There are many options to pursue here, both locally and remotely. Locally, check for the relevant institutions in your field. Which programs do they offer in a relevant language and how long they are? Consider their tuition costs and reputation as well. Don't limit yourself purely to academic institutions. Some companies offer a training program and offer jobs for the top graduates. There are also boot camps and other forms of local professional education, so make sure you consult locals in your industry and search in all relevant languages. Remotely, there is an ocean of possibilities. Let's take a quick tour. An important term to know is MOOC, M-O-O-C. That stands for a Massive Open Online Course. This is a form of online courses we can take for free from many universities, including top-tier ones. Some websites, like Coursera and edX, keep a large and diverse database of many academic institutions, international companies, and world-renowned establishments. They make it simple to search for a specific language or subject. For example, if I want to learn art, I can just look it up here on Coursera, and immediately I find many courses for free from many different universities, and even MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art in New York. There are also many different languages. As you can see here, I can filter according to language. There are plenty of languages. We can also pursue a full degree online. Coursera offers degrees as well, but to continue our tour, we'll review edX's degrees. So let's go to edX and check out the degrees. You can see that they have bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, doctorate degrees. Let's go to master's degrees and see what they've got. So there are plenty of universities that offer a master's degree. And we can see that there are different fields, different universities. There really are plenty of options. All we need to do is just choose. There are more websites like FutureLearn that offers many courses. There is MyMOOC that offers, again, many courses in many subjects. And there are probably many others. I just stopped searching here. And if you want a cross-section search, there's a search engine for MOOCs called MOOClist. We can just go over here and search for whatever we want. We can search for art again. Then we can see that we get courses from edX, Coursera, and they are the largest ones, so we'll probably see only them in the first page. But trust me, you also get other MOOC platforms as well. Other universities have their own online websites. For example, Princeton, Yale, and Harvard. There are others as well, but let's focus on them. With Princeton, if we go to their FAQ page, we can see that they do offer MOOCs, but they do not offer any official credit. Other universities, like Yale, for example, offer programs that get you a certificate or even a degree. Want to look at certificates, we can go to Yale Divinity School, and we can see that we can get certified from Yale in youth ministry leadership. Harvard offers learning paths that can give you certificates. But before making any decisions, we should dig deeper into each of the offers and understand their possible implications on our professional path. We should make sure that we spend our time wisely, as it's easy to get lost in all of this. There is also online informal academic education. Remember, I'm only giving some examples. You can search for the options that are relevant for your specific interests by yourself. Let's start with OSSU. This is a proper computer science academic education program that is maintained by a community of professionals and educators. If we review the curriculum, we can see that these are some serious courses. This is a computer science education for free. This is an amazing resource. Another impressive website is the Khan Academy. Some of you may know it because of your kids, as they also offer free high-level education for children. But they also have courses for adults. Personally, I took their computer science classes, and thanks to that, I could actually answer some job interview questions no other course taught me. They don't offer an academic degree, but they do teach important and relevant material. Lastly, I want to review some professional and personal growth-focused websites. Udemy, Udacity, Pluralsight, and LinkedIn Learning, which used to be called Lynda. All of these websites offer a ton of professional and personal growth courses. You can learn coding languages with them, as well as how to improve your time management skills. As the spectrum of educational websites is only exceeded by the spectrum of subjects and courses we can learn, I strongly suggest to first figure out what our interests are and what is our goal in studying, and only then try to focus on which platform and program are the best fit for us. You should also consider the tuition costs, whether or not we get a certification, and what kind of certification it is. And of course, as we are not working, we should take care of our pension, pay our taxes, and adjust any future financial plan that we have. Okay, let's continue to our next option, volunteering.